There it is. That's you.
Follow Russell on that.
This is an art gallery. We're trying to get the stolen painting that got stolen from the dude in the game.
Okay.
So basically, you're trying to just recover the stolen painting, kickball tournament. So this is 4th grade. Everything easy, but there's a lot of puzzles. So you have to. Yeah. You underwater, just trying to get back to the top basically. It's not really nothing. But it's a lot. But it's one of our art. Trying to stop the missile from blowing up the whole world basically.
Okay.
The missile not in here.
Okay,
It's
cool.
probably somewhere I can't tell you where. And 2 of y'all be in the other cell.
Oh yeah.
Y'all have to communicate to see each other again.
I probably get comfortable here.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't even leave. Man. Be back at home. You know?
Man, you ain't never been there.
Basically, you're just trying to recover some gold that your uncle wants when you die. Gold rush.
I think that was the plan. He's not coming back. Look for some clues, everybody.
Oh Lord, this gonna be the first that we ain't gonna be able to find out.
I gotta get the code to this.
I gotta take my head off.
We gotta get this code,
There's
fellas.
another room up here, right?
Yeah. We got this one.
Let's get her done.
One house.
Hold on, wait. 1, 2, 3 birds. 1 frog. 1 rat.
It's bird, owl, frog.
3 birds. 1 owl. 2 frogs.
One
Jim, there you go. Oh God.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama, you got your? Did you
I gotta put that together. Now I'm about to put this camera down. I was waiting to see what he opened with. Oh shit. Let me see those.
He's going to step up.
What goes up?
But it's not stairs, it's just stairs.
It's stairs. It's stairs.
Nigga, we could be on 18 or some shit.
You wait some things.
Clyde, I don't know if I'll make it out of Iron Gate, so I'm sending back your key. Not sure if I would have figured out your crazy riddles anyway. It's not. We get flashlight weed, right? This.
That's not the key.
Nope.
It's too big.
Oh, the door. We whack. The door. If not this door, then the other door.
Yeah, I mean, if it was next to it, too.
But I mean, why?
But we need a key for this.
I'm gonna be real with you. I'm kind of fucking scared to go in that room. Shit look kind of scary.
Yep. Got some more numbers right here with colors beside it.
Yeah, you got a bottle.
Color coded
More
number.
numbers.
Got a gun.
That strizz out.
You feel me?
That pole. That you know?
Yeah.
That pole.
Hey, what's going on right here? All right.
Pole for you.
All right, come on. Read them numbers out right here, Carter. No, right here.
This bottle has a number 4. This
Hold on,
bottle.
hold on. Let's do one at a time. You got the gun, you got numbers on the dice. The dice go here.
7 numbers.
Oh. Hold on, you say 7?
Yeah.
You sure?
Let me see what was on the dot.
It's the.
What's on the dot?
9, 7, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Too many.
Yeah. But it has to go to something. What's this with?
This number's on the little bottle. It's
What's
4.
It's the heavy as
What's the numbers? How many numbers is it?
Only 2.
Only 2 numbers. I need a key.
Like a regular key.
Where the key at, Carter?
That ain't no key.
It is.
No, it's not. Try to just pull it. Just like pull it down.
Maybe it's nothing.
I don't think it's anything, because what if we was all short?
That's what they got done.
That's a stool right there.
That's still like
Yeah,
that.
you're right. It's here to slow us down.
Pull this rug back.
Oh yeah, pull the rug back.
Yeah. put a bunch of rats just started going through it.
Yeah.
Well, you need to be on Saw. I don't know if that one. 3.
But I don't know what how do you know which lock it?
But how do I know? Oh my god.
That ain't.
Oh, I thought it was a part of the game.
Oh my god.
I thought it was a part of the game.
Nigga, you need to get up on the stool and put that
I thought
back.
it was part of the game.
Go ahead, put that shit back.
The letters, I mean the numbers ain't go with the.
Quita ain't do it. What? I don't know what she doing. Quita, read it. Quita.
Okay, you know what?
Give me some colors.
We're only doing white, red, yellow, green.
White, 3,
yellow.
white.
3, white, red. It's 3, 7, 6, 7.
Alright, if that don't work, then I know.
So, Mike, you try this one. 3, 7, 6, 7.
That ain't it.
3767.
3767.
Come on, try this one.
So 7.
3, 7, 6, 7.
Right here.
Two numbers.
Hold on, what's up? Wait. That joint said aiming right on the standing right here, aiming it at the. You try to stand on the footprints and aiming the gun at the dare poster. What are you
Let me
doing?
try to stand there. So, put the aim in the gun at the bed. I did it.
I'm gonna come out the gun.
Nah, I ain't gonna come.
Try to shoot it.
Yeah. Oh, white, red, yellow, red. White.
It's in the bed poster. Hold on. Put the flashlight on this again. Why you try to aim the gun at the bed poster? It's blinding.
You think I'm gonna figure something out? Nah. Bad numbers. Oh!
That's in the game. Look at this right here. So if you do like this, you can see for this one.
Hey, nah, man. Time out, man. You do that, I'm gonna do something else. Cause y'all
Put
didn't
the
even
light
look
on
at
this. Alright, when you move this little thing, the shape is the same shape as these. You know what I'm saying?
match it up with the right color.
I see what you're saying.
Yo, what's up with these numbers on here, though?
So I don't get it though.
Yeah.
Alright, what's this number 3? What's that number 4?
It's 4.
We can't move on. But that last one, well, we can't move on. We get 5. Now here go bottle 3, right here.
Oh, it's another lock right here. It's another lock.
You gotta shoot it? You gotta shoot that
He
on?
said any red locks don't fuck with it.
Oh, yeah, he did say that.
I'm gonna shoot it just in. Just bro.
3. Get the next one. Oh, here go that little thing. That was right here.
Oh, shit! Safety, please do not use tools to hammer or hit anything. Quit it. Says do not use tools.
So what the fuck is the hammer for?
That's Glock 2.
Well, I don't know. But these tools are for something.
Alright, some symbols down here too. Look at those symbols.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that. Have y'all seen these symbols anywhere in here?
No.
One of them is a badge.
So you gotta look on all of them, man. That's what that's for.
That is that one right.
And this right here.
Yep, and that's the other one.
I get it.
Count the
I get it.
pilots.
Count the junks. Yeah, count the junks. I knew it. It's those.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first number is 8.
Where the point
Alright.
went at?
So
The what?
The point right there.
this one is 4.
8, 4, 1,
6.
6. Nah, that's.
No, that's the next one. Okay, and 4. Was it 4?
4, yeah.
That's 6.
Come on.
Oh, 4 or 6?
Which one we looking at? Oh, 6,
It's
6,
6.
6, 6, 6.
What the fuck? Oh, the toolbox.
Mm-hmm.
There's movers. Man, what the fuck I even do that? They watching.
It's magnetic. It's a magnetic field. That's right.
Oh, we gotta crawl through there.
We as in you. I'm not going in that shit.
It's a slide.
So what?
So-
I gotta give him.
It's a slide.
Yeah.
What do you mean a slide?
It's a slide.
Oh, go. Huh?
We only got about 10 minutes to do this.
Oh shit. Boom. Alright. Okay.
We're clearly not gonna make it through this in 10 minutes.
Why not?
God damn. 10. Yellow. Wait, what you use?
That's right. 1, 2, 3, 5.
What colors are there? What's
Red,
it?
yellow, green, and blue.
Okay, gold, pick, bomb. Alright.
Oh, we back to the door. Wait, that's locked. We can't work with it.
Okay, you got the joint right here. North, west, east,
East and south. So it's green,
Mm-hmm.
yellow, blue, red. No,
Oh, cause east, yeah.
it's not in order.
Green,
Wait.
yellow,
Blue, red.
blue, red.
They need to be put somewhere.
The hats?
Green, yellow, blue, red. Maybe put them on top of each other like that. Okay, green, yellow, blue, red is a code. Matter of fact, it is 1, 5. 1, 2, 5, 3. 1, 2,
I
5,
literally
3.
said
1, 2, 5, 3. Try them.
Alright, Jermaine got his.
Alright,
That's
what was that?
Key?
let's go. Let's move.
Key, what the?
Just this one right here and one over there.
Try that at the bottom.
Okay, the rocks got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do I know what order them bitches going in?
Go from biggest to smallest.
What order them
Did it work, Jermaine?
Yeah. And this a rock right here. Oh,
in?
yeah.
Yes. Hey, what's that one? 4.
4. You said the biggest to the smallest?
The biggest.
7, 4, 3, 2. 7, 4, 3, 2. I don't think that's it, but man,
4, 3,
7, 2.
7, 2. Alright.
Get us some fucking gold, baby.
Put the gold right there, start winning. Count them. Gold. 1, 2, 2 golds. What's the next one? Pick.
Pick
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the next
a
one?
bomb
1, 2,
3.
2,
and
3 is 3.
3. What's the next one?
and
The bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's another one right there.
But I'm saying the bomb.
But that's that.
So it's gold.
It's up somewhere on the stairs.
On the stairs.
At the.
The railroad right here.
It's somewhere over there.
Shit in there. It's in here. We gotta open this.
How the hell we open that?
Man, fuck, man. You gotta tell them folks, give us 10 more minutes, man. Finish.
It's not even right there. It's over there.
Oh, watch out.
Little key. He says, oh, watch out.
Man,
Which key?
they don't go to that. They don't go to that.
It goes to
They gotta
that.
go to one of these young shit.
It might be that toolbox upstairs.
2 blocks upstairs.
Yeah, it's go to that.
Alright, what is this? Alright, Jeremiah, no.
Somebody help me! Help! Help me, please! Not really, homie.
Yeah.
Oh no, we was doing it right though.
What he
He
say?
cut that bitch off quick.
Oh, there you go. 3 plus 4 plus. Oh.
Okay, alright. Okay. I got you. So let me see.
Oh, this is something else.
How do you know this?
But that lamp is blinking. That's for that. That lamp is for this. How many times is it blinking? Watch. I think so. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Count it.
It's,
I don't know what that was about.
nah, that's how you get this last one.
Yeah, what the hell is this?
I'm still not understanding how this shit is going on, man. I get it,
No,
but
hold
I
it.
don't.
Hold this thing.
So 1, 5, 6, 10. Okay.
No, I'm trying to see this one.
Nah, I'm not, man. I gotta get out of here.
You literally gonna be there.
Nah, I gotta get out of here.
Hold up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Because
9,
it
10.
equals 14, 10, 9, whatever. Okay, but what does that have to do?
I don't feel like getting it. Alright, let me see.
Man, I don't like that, man.
Alright, here.
Huh?
Put those over there.
Man, y'all niggas make slow We rich.
It's over.
How do we get it?
We got the gold.
You don't get it. That's just
Is
it.
it real gold? 21.
That was
Got the
cool.
gold, man. We got the gold, man.
You said we
Teamwork
keep
make the
whatever
dream
we
work.
catch.
Stickers. Y'all want me to explain that puzzle for y'all?
This one
Yeah,
right here?
please.
Yeah, man. I got it, but I didn't understand.
Appreciate it, bro.
No problem. Alright, so over here, the sums of this. So the gold bar equal 1.
Mhm.
So basically, this here equal. So if the gold bar equals 1 and 1, that make 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. You
Right.
split that up, that's 4 and 4, because 4 plus 4 is 8. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 10.
8%.
So you take your pickaxe. This was 4.
Right.
4. 8. Oh wait. 4 and 4. 14 minus 8. And that's 6. You split that up. That's 3 and 3.
Oh no, we would never.
Man,
So the number that I'm saying is linking to this. So this is 3, 4, 1. And my card gonna be 2. Because it's 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then go
It's
down.
9.
Yeah.
Oh, it would have been. We'd have been here
Yeah.
for another 2
That
hours.
shit would have, man.
What's the fastest somebody like did
With
this?
like 40 minutes left.
40 minutes left?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both of the thing.
God
So
damn.
they only took up what, 10 minutes or 20?
20 minutes.
What took a 20 minutes?
You saying like
finish this
to finish the whole-
Oh yeah. I mean,
They could get somebody finished.
quick. Oh yeah, it took them 20 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
So I didn't. Yeah, it took them 20 minutes. To do
Quick question. Was there a reason for 2 acorns?
it. No, because when they shoot out of the tree,
Yeah.
one of them might get lost. So we just
That's I figured that, yeah.
Thank you.
I appreciate that.
Appreciate it. Yeah, this jones.
That's been easy.
That's the first time I ever finished that.
Because you messed with us.
No, I don't know.
They need to
Would have
give
been
us some
stuck in the prison
recording.
rooms.
We should get some recording so you can see how quick we got. I can do this. This is nothing, man. I'm about to go get a gig up at the escape room.